Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We are back at it again. We are about to go hit up another store and pick up some goods. But in the meantime, I just really want to appreciate and shout out everybody for subbing up. We just hit 300 subscribers, Yay! Which is freaking crazy. I never thought that I'd hit 300. And I know that's a small number to most, but we hit that stuff. That's crazy. So big ups to us. Nothing but motivation, more to come, and more crazier things to come. As you see, it's heating up in Alaska, so all the crazy cars are coming out. So a lot of new stuff will be seen. We saw a Ferrari. It was gutted. I look in my clips if you guys want to see that. But it was gutted. But Aston Martin, old Porsche, whole bunch of stuff at this. I think it was a shop / Mexican restaurant. But yeah,
it was a Mexican restaurant attached to the same building as a mechanic shop.
Okay. But the Mexican restaurant was booming. I felt way out of place and underdressed, so I went home. And then yeah. I think that's my co-worker. No, that's not.
She was a female.
They just had a white bumper as well. That never gets old. Oh, look at that. A Corvette. Nice. He drives around all year though. He literally, that blue Corvette rides that car all year long. Rain, sleet, or snow, bro, he's in it. Oh, it's so wet and nasty outside. I'm gonna need a car wash. Guys, if we can get to this place in time and also have enough time to shoot over to Best Buy, I think we might also go pick up our handheld gaming device today. But I'm not sure if that's gonna happen. That also might be next week's video, so stay tuned for that. I'm not sure if I'll ever give reviews for that, but I'm basically buying one of those Asus ROG Allies. Oh, that noise. Ooh. But I'm buying one of those because we are going to Thailand, and that flight is going to be like 16 hours long. Weren't gonna let me in. It's crazy. Somebody was kicking up dust over here. But that flight is going to be like 14 hours long. So I want something to do other than just like watch TV. So I'm figuring I can go buy this game and then load it up with emulation and play the old God of Wars on that thing. And I think that'll occupy me for a long time. And maybe some other games too. If you have any games that you think I should check out that I can emulate, drop them in the comments below. I'm definitely trying to figure some get like a game library. And I heard it was really easy. So the sun is beaming. It is nice outside. The snow is melting. Eventually they'll go around and clean the streets up. They'll do street sweeping. That'll be really good. Anchorage starts looking really nice once the grass starts getting really green. It's like, oh, it's so nice. Okay, big 2500 Ram liftedtrucks.com. Oh, that's Mopar? Yeah, you're right. You guys would be proud of me too. I also cleaned my inside of my car. It's not dirty no more. The windshield is still kind of dirty, but everything else is nice. I didn't even notice I wasn't in sport. Damn, is that a cop behind us? Ah! about to get me, dude. No, that's not a cow. I also want to I just want to shout out and appreciate all the views on the last video. I don't know where those came from, but I'm trying my best with the editing and the art and all that stuff. And I hope y'all don't the clickbait. I don't think it's clickbait. It's just good titles. You know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all like that. Oh man, he had a couple blankets on us. This is our Dodge dealership. They got a 2026 jailbreak Hellcat in there. I've been thinking about stopping in and doing a video. I just have not worked up the courage to do that. But if that's something y'all want to see, let me know. Let me know. You know, you only live once. That's the motto. Yeah, y'all thought I was gonna continue. It's nice when it's sunny out. Man, whoa. Let's see if we can get some pops. Baby pops. Sorry if that glare gets too much. Couple snap crackles and pops. This is actually the dealership that I bought my car from, but I bought my car in the Wasilla one, which is at like 40, 50 miles behind us. 40, 50 minutes. How many miles is that? Well, if you're going 60 miles per hour,
It's a 45-minute drive.
and it's a 45-minute drive, I'm thinking it's at least like a minute per hour, a minute per mile. All right, I want you to edit that out.
Oh my God.
Split splash.
You gotta wipe it.
Oh, damn, was that our turn?
You gotta wipe it.
Oh, it was. I missed the turn.
Because you couldn't see because you didn't wipe it. You didn't wipe your butt.
It didn't wipe my butt. Move, Infinity. We got things to do. I'm trying to hit Best Buy still.
The one by our house or the one on Diamond?
Huh?
The one by our house or the one on Diamond?
Diamond. Or should I just go to the one at our house? Because it's like the same way back.
Let's go to Diamond.
Chat, we just pulled up. I am going to go in here real quick, grab my stuff, and then I will be back out in just a second. And we will hopefully get to Best Buy in time. But if not, I want to say I appreciate y'all for commenting, and subscribing. And we just hit 300 subs, on the road to 400 subs. Staying tuned. We have a big announcement in store. So I appreciate all y'all. Stay tuned. I just noticed I'm out of gas. I'm gonna go get some gas. Bye.